esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwege libale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwege libale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwege libale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ya Cosmetology ngwege libale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwege libale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barari Nyakundi ya principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha te yababere isiko ekiagara boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship ngwaego bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaego wale kirichi tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school golendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana ngwaego bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Kilivu Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri mu mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekawe basari in full inda abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga ose obakirisi mugutras kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Teke ya moya butukire gore Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mu mugaso mya mwanje murigerere wiritskeri gare ya Jumane tariki 30 mutinyi oyikomira kabera mwako yegavwe kiri bubere 25 chinga kitekira semese Ekeonga tokumanyamba yakoro imenesko yorogongoro gusibuna agendrete gwateka kurense miri ya siasa ensemo ekisemi ne chinsemo eriteria ne buna butambe jengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga korasomo nawe manyiriro maiga yechikambire torinero wilfremato na boiga kuri studio ya Kabere Mike West nera kwa neke buna chibichechi na boiga Mario Gingo ikirachira asenchira yo boikrano ikaranso eke obenentu boika omwero na togo chaka MCA we wodi ya Marani omoske Deni Sombachi nigo abori ya barayi kurwa egesaku kyomogusi kobano obomo na boiga komwa omoske Daktari Fredo Kengo Matiangi okoboko bosibo bochoryo bonne ku mwaka 2027 ukona imeya Nyamira nigo Mbachi airere buna omogusi aisego korabo osaisego chamo nigo aranyare gosikwa nabo yo konyora egetaria kenene ekere serikali erebosio erachi koroswa
mu gusino ndo kwana naende ntonya kwera ntotagete na intuno mu gusio mwana ito Fred Matiang'i okwanire na atagete president naende we are not campaigning for him. Unabagusi is becoming a Kenyan president. He has what it takes. So muna moko morigere na abwate gento gesa okorire guys na manyika ino tigire record. Igo muna entumo gusi ngomo bwate story muna enchero morai wa na berere miaka ye wana 15 bongo kwana on behalf ya bagusi. Igo to chama ka to kwana. Talinga twangete William Ruto no lakini asebo no ngelinga ki na into ito sokire. Nero kwana na wa behalf. Kera tokinga ki bono tutaitenga onye nkwano keroro bono ka Ruto tataitoja gusi tiarangire Fred Okengo Matiang'i bakwane komo egere tona kitogosuka tiga tukwane mune community tukwane sauti ya
Togo Skavosio mujumbe w'ibunge ya Kapchai kutoka kaunti ya Bungoma Moske Majumbo Karasinga nigo aichaneire ugusira ku mujumbe mukuru w'ibunge ya Rugari Moske Cyrus Jirongo okwana nigo Moske Karasinga aireire buna osatebete buna tari gucia guikirana ebirero bya Jirongo ebyo bigendrete ritwere rero asengencho ogokwa wa Jirongo nigo kwarenge asenyo osinigo kwakorekanite asenchira yo botutukanu bona saburire serikali wotiro muraibense kwango yobotuki anemono igoro yokomanya kire kirirete amakweri ya Jirongo kokorekana.
I'm very disappointed, Kenya. I will not attend. Why I will not attend is that we are going to bury the truth. We have not been given full explanation. This is how we lost people. So many people have gone. We want a further explanation on this. I had not known anything. I had not known anything until the police came to tell us about the probox. When one person had questioned what was the purpose of the probox behind Jirongo's vehicle. And then someone came to explain, why is government giving us, choosing us what to tell us, to give us? They are choosing what we ask is what we get. We want a full commission of inquiry. Mr. President William Ruto, you worked with your friend Cyrus Jirongo closely in the hands of President Moi. Kindly, Mr. President, you are on top. You are on the top of the seat. You are the president of this country. Sanction a commission of inquiry. Let all the nation be explained the death of Jirongo. This issue of police investigating police, we are not going to allow, Mr. President. I'm talking as a senior lawyer. When you are elected by the people, you become senior. I'm talking like a senior lawyer from a senior tribe of the lawyer called the Bukusu. A man who has gone properly under the right of circumcision. We come in the day, in the morning. We don't hide any statement. We tell you the truth, my brother. My president, you are the head of this country. The only thing we can ask from you is to have a judicial commission of inquiry. Like they did for Robert Ouko. We want it to be opened up so the family can get to the truth.
Togendrete kurigereria ogokwana boigo ebiroro byaye omujumbe y'omukuru w'ebunge ya Rugari ritwire rero abarai ao gati abo murayo mukuru okane bwensi Moske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta muwaziri omunene Moske Musalia Mudavadi umuwaziri w'ebyombe bikebike Moske Wycliffe Ompeto Paranya monogeri w'ebunge nene Moske Moses Masika Wetangula ne gati abarai bari bayikiranire ase ebiroro by'omujumbe omukuru Rugari Moske Nyagosira Cyrus Jirongo ebyo bigendrete imeya Makanda ebunge area ya Rugari kaunti ya Kakamega yamate yaye anemono abarugi baye nigo besokire na kumurera Jirongo buna umuntu bwanjite yamate yaye nabo yigo ore kubwatanya abantu bonsi ase bayichaniro gukwaye.
Cyrus was a loving husband, a generous father, and a good person. He loved people. And he had no favorite. He touched the lives of so many people. And for us who have been left behind, we are asking God to give us strength as a family, because it is a very, very big blow. And also, thank you for surrounding us with your love ever since this happened. We do not take it for granted, but I just want to say a very, very, very big thank you for those who came to visit us at home. To his children, he was their protector. He loved them with all his heart. If you wanted to cross his path, just do something to his children. He loved them. And I know they know that. And to us, his spouses, Cyrus was so loving. He loved us equally. Didn't favor anyone. He would travel, and when he traveled, he would come carrying 3 phones. If there were iPhones, they were all iPhones. If there were Gucci bags, there were Gucci bags, different colors. If it was perfumes, he would bring the same brand, different scents. He was fair to all of us. And we thank him for that, because he made us feel special. He really made us feel special. And he provided anything that we wanted to his ability. So as his spouses, we are very, very grateful to have shared our life with him.
I want to speak to our children. Cyrus loved you all dearly. He equipped each and every one of you with a good quality education, with a belief that that was going to help you excel in life. We trust that each one of you has a good head on their shoulders, and that you shall strive to work hard and to honor your father, and the sky is the limit for you. Your father intentionally brought you up together. You ate together, you prayed together, you played together. Our expectation is that you will remain together. We love you as your mothers, and we strive that we shall continue to support you, and that we shall encourage you, and we shall be your greatest cheerleaders. I find it very hard to speak about Cyrus in the past, but I must say, Kwaheri Cyrus. Rest in peace, Cyrus. Rest in peace, CJ. Rest in peace, Sira. We love you, and you will be dearly missed.
Mwaziri wa Mwanene Umuske Musalia Mudavadi nigakwanirwo kuigwana ensi ya Kenya yabigite n'ensiri ya Amerika mapea nyuma omutienyo yoiga ane muno ogosira na asensemeri yobochenu okwana somo chango oyo mu ogosira ebirero byo Bishop Joseph Likavo Muske Mudavadi nigo akwanirete Chinsa mochiri ababigite kuigwana asa akwanirete maroire ayo barachi gosirana.
Sisi kama wa Kenya ndio tulikuwa wa kwanza kuweka sahihi kwa mkataba na serikali ya Trump kuhusu mambo ya afya. We were the first country. Na zingine zimefata: Nigeria, Uganda, Rwanda, Zambia ndio hiyo ina karibia, Lesotho na kadhalika, na zingine zitaendelea. Na nataka nitumie fursa hii tukiwa kwa kanisa just to explain something which people are misusing and taking for granted. Kwanza, it is important that Kenyans appreciate that we have 1.4 million Kenyans who are affected and living with HIV in this country. 1.4 million Kenyans. And they have dependents, they have families. Huu mkataba ulikuwa kuhakikisha kwamba there is a steady supply to to ensure that these 1.4 million Kenyans who have a right to life, like everybody else, have a steady supply of medication. We have many Kenyans ambao wanaumia kwa diabetes. Diabetes is a very expensive ailment. They have to have a steady supply of medical merchandise to help them overcome the challenge of diabetes. There are many young children who are being born who must be immunized from polio and other dangerous diseases that can affect them in their early growth. Mkataba huo una program ya kuhakikisha kwamba our children have supplies for medicine.
Chapto kirechita ikomine Isano iguru Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabonu mubaso wancho murigerere ngwane yo moske mudavadi nere gochigotokira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwinga mwero kurende chikoraga ikomitora nege gatokoretera yo muna yanda senchira yo bwinga bwigo yenda gotora burigere boru bya semiro birio ekobwati nchengatirine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso muna bwimanyiriro Mike kuri studio ya kabiri nero koneke abuna chibichechi na bwiga marioki wekachira senchira eri ya wekra.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi abana nkwakana bali chibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni chogosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne chibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale chirichi tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye skuru kuburendagera na gwakanese nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Kilivu Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inda abana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga ose obakirisi migutras chiramba chabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Child, Jesus Christ, was born